the fuck? Some weird looking skins. Oh, you can choose like what your character. Oh, that's cool. What he holds like on the menu. There you go. It doesn't look as awkward anymore. What does this button do? Oh, it opens up a Steam thing. Oh, I see. Oh, that's kind of cool. Oh, that's neat. So basically, you play the game, you get these credits, which is up here for winning and playing the game. And you open up these crates and you get these skins. I don't think you need to pay for it. I don't think you need a key. Yeah. You don't need, okay, you don't need a key. So basically there's these items here and you can buy at each crate. And then it's just no keys required. You just play the game 3,000 and you get all these skins or these skins. The only thing you pay for is if you want to buy these and you just want to outright just buy one. But then these you just get it from in-game. That is so loud. Shut up. Thank you. That's kind of cool.
Where the fuck I am.
And like, let's see. What do the skins look like? Oh, okay. I wanted to see, like, maybe they don't even look that bad, you know? Not like just beige, orange, beige, orange. Ow. Ow, fuck. Just take my hands on shit. You can shoot through this glass? No, you can't. I think he just tagged me before I went in the glass. The huge tracers are still a thing. Yeah, I think the huge tracers will always be a thing. I think they're like that on purpose.
Cease all hostile engagement and prepare for battle royale match transport. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
I think the huge tracers are always going to be a thing. And I like it because it like... So when you're far away, you know where the fights are, right? Because you have those huge tracers. This place looks cool. What is this? Bathhouse.
Welcome to the dome, player. Good luck. Warning. Plasma field is now advancing.
Where the fuck I am.
Avoid hazardous zone at all costs.
Actually, I think I'd much rather have an Wait, where'd it go? Did I drop it? Whoops. Can I get a rifle, please? Flowers. My bad. Oh god. What the? Oh, it's one tap. Why'd I have no bullets in this gun? Did I not reload this P90? I had literally nothing. No bullets at all. Weird. Oh, he's got an MK. I prefer this gun. Did I see a guy over there? No, I didn't. In the zone. I need my shotgun back. Shotguns look really fucking good. Ooh. Laycock? Some clipping in those buildings. It's all good. Jumping should slow you down. That's the whole point of the game, though. Like, the direction that they're going is... They don't give a fuck about realism. They just want a competitive game. And how you make a competitive game isn't just shooting. It isn't that. Movement is what makes a competitive game.
Where the fuck I am.
Don't have a sniper rifle, so that kind of sucks, but... Whatevs. Ooh. Is this whole place new? This whole place looks new to me. I feel like I've never seen this before. This whole area. What's that noise? What is that? What is that thing?
Where the fuck I am.
Cool. Is that a drop, I guess? Oh. Ooh, large nanomeds. Oh my god. I'm stuck. Oh, this isn't good. Fuck. I headshot him as I went down. Or no, I didn't. Fuck, I thought I did. So, was that the drop? Yeah, bronze. Fuck yeah. So was that the drop? Those like things on the ground? It just kind of explodes into loot, I guess.